Hey yo guys, how are you doing? Here's a Sagem myC2. Well, nothing particular I can do about this phone, just cleaning it because I don't have a new body shell and I'm not gonna paint it. Learn my lesson about that, so yeah, let's disassemble it. I think someone already disassembled this phone before. It has some marks here. I've never, I only held it in my collection. It was a gift from a family member. So, let us begin by selecting the good tool. So, different screw, of course. I would have been disappointed if it wasn't. A different screw. Alright. Does it have screws on the top? I don't think it does. I hope it does not though. Alright. This thing is also removed. I'm gonna completely tear it apart. Here's the antenna clamps. One. And it will get out. Yes. Phew. Yeah, this thing is risky to take out, but I managed it. Man, give me a workout. Worked out. Yeah, anyway. Should I undress this? Yeah, I can and I will. What can I do? Okay. I'm gonna shove this in the ultrasonic cleaner because it's easier. All right. One part. Now you. Oh, this is why it was disassembled. It has these two cables here. Yeah, typically Sagem to put cables. That's one thing. Oh, come on. Dang it. Yeah. Let's take the buttons out, but I can't. Great. Just great. All right. I was hoping I didn't need to do this, but I do. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, now it came out. Does it have screws underneath these? Oh, ah, yes, it has screws. Okay. Sounds more logical like that. Okay, that's there. This one here. Now let's unscrew these. Good thing I did not force it, otherwise I would have broken it. All right. I can clean this, but first I'm gonna polish it. Before that, here's a clamp. Then it's gluing. Oh, this is the magnet here. It's glued. Okay. Will you come off? It snapped there. Of course it did. Why wouldn't it? I'll try to take this out so I can take the whole assembly without damaging it further. Let me push this cover off, you know, through this hole. I'm pushing this chrome cover off. All right, but at least I have a space for this thing. All right, has this little hole here with this little blue thingy. Here it is. Let me try to push it down and pull on it. There we go. Oh, mother! I mean, it's good that it finds its way back. Yeah. There's no way to take the cables out, eh? Disc. Really? Not even through here. Oh, come on, man. I really don't want to heat up my soldering station. I don't want to use the soldering station. Here's the speaker. There's no other way. Okay. Come on, you. Yes, good. So I can put this to wash. Oh, magnet and sticky at the same time. Okay. So like we practiced. Okay, that's one. That's two. Okay. Now I should be able to pull these cables out. Good. This is the speaker. This will just get some dusting, and this will get to cleaning with all of these together. This little button as well. Why not put? Yeah, I'll put these chrome things as well. The antenna. No, I'll clean the antenna as it is because it has wiring in it. Now let's look at the display. One clamp, two clamps, a 3 and 4. Okay, and solder to the main board. Never mind. I do want to clean this metal plate though, or metal frame actually. It has here and here, so I can properly clean the display now. Is I need to put this in the water. Good. I'll go put this in my old. Actually, wait. No. You. You. And I'll be honest with you. You saw me polishing these phones here, and I don't want to polish it here and make a mess. I'm gonna go to the bathroom, polish it there, also clean these, and be right back in a second. I polished the screen, and it's the best I can do. I'm not gonna force my luck and burn it. Shall remain like this. Now to the cleaning. Alright. Get these out of the way. Give it a quick clean, because there's not much to clean here. I mean, there is dust and all of that, but not too bad. You know, I disassembled and started cleaning the phone, but here's the battery. This is what I did not clean. Let me give it a quick clean right here, right now. Should I put this battery in the ultrasonic cleaner? I'm joking. Don't do that. Okay. Apparently these are scratches, not dirt. Think I can put this back. Yeah. Anything else that I can put? Not many things. But I can put this back in its rubber cover. Yeah. Also this cover over the microphone. And nothing much else. I have to wait for the shell to finish cleaning. And I'll dry it up and be back to assemble it. Here are first parts. Yeah, just give it a little blow. Alright then. Silly me. Will this still stick? I doubt it, but I will try it. Ah, okay. To put this back. All right. Put this thing back. Yeah. Pull these cables through here. That's good. Now to shove this bad boy in its place. Let me put it in its place while it's open. Maybe that's how it's supposed to go. That was unexpected, but okay. What can I say? pull the cable a bit too much. Okay, good. Okay. Okay, now we know that. Well, let's put it back together and hope for the best. Okay. Let's see. Connects. The speaker works, that's good. So, animated menus, nice. Cool. Let me put these back. They look the same, so yeah. That's one. There should be two if the cables permit it. Yeah, they did. Now let me look for this cover. Where the heck did it go? Yeah, so apparently I can't find this thing. I rewatched my recording and apparently it got stuck to my hand and then it disappeared. Yeah, strange. Well, if I find it, I'll put it back. If not, I'll leave it like this. And this is one of those annoying phenomena. Yeah, life is strange. Anyway, this is my cleanup of the Sagem C22. It's good enough. Good to make a presentation video. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed it, leave a like, share, subscribe, follow, all of the above. And I'll see you next time. And until then, I wish you a very awesome day just like yourself and all the best. Bye.